What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today I am going to show you how you can create a mascot image using Artlist AI. So first, log in to your Artlist account, and from this one you can go to Studio and click on Go to your projects. Now once you're here, click on New Project, and let's create a project name. Let's name this one Mascot. Now click on Create Project. So once you're inside the studio, let's look at the left panel here. So click on the Add Character icon right here. And it is going to give you a list of pre-made characters. Now we want to create a new one, so click on New Character. Now from here, let's look at the prompt box. Now you can type and describe the character or the mascot you want to create. So here I will say, create a mascot for my brand. And then you can describe your brand. You can say, for example, my brand is ice cream, for example. Now you can give an overview of what you want your mascot to look like. For example, you can say, I want the mascot to look energetic, maybe attractive to kids, and happy. And then you can go on with the details. You can say, use colors that are, say, sweet, such as pink, purple, maybe white. Right, so after that, just click on this arrow right here, or you can also hit enter on your keyboard. So let's wait for the AI to make the mascot. Alright, so there we have it. We see our mascot, and you can choose which one you like. So I think for me, I'm going to choose this one. Now click on Create Character. So here is your mascot. You can actually choose the voice that comes with it. And here you can also create angles if you want your mascot to face a certain angle. This one is good to go, and you can use it in your projects. All right, so that's how you create a mascot in Artlist Studio. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.